Hello everyone, welcome back to Canada Immigration Global. Canada invites to 71 physicians for permanent residence, express entry update. There is an important express entry update for physicians working in Canada. Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada, or IRCC, has conducted its second express entry draw of 2026 for physicians with Canadian work experience, inviting eligible doctors to apply for Canadian permanent residence. Let's take a look at the latest results and what they mean for immigration candidates. Canada issues invitations to physicians. On 24 June 2026, IRCC issued 271 invitations to apply ITAs through the Physicians with Canadian Work Experience category under Express Entry. To receive an invitation, candidates were required to have a minimum comprehensive ranking system (CRS) score of 223, created their Express Entry profile before 31st May 2026 at 6:13 p.m. UTC based on the tie-breaking rule. This was Canada's second express entry draw in 2026, specifically targeting physicians with Canadian work experience. Who was eligible? This draw targeted physicians who met the eligibility requirements for the Physicians with Canadian Work Experience category. The initiative is designed to help retain qualified doctors who are already working in Canada and provide them with a pathway to permanent residence. Canada introduced this category to help address physician shortages and strengthen the country's healthcare system. Why is this draw important? Canada continues to experience a demand for qualified physicians in many provinces and territories. By conducting targeted express entry draws for doctors with Canadian work experience, IRCC aims to support the healthcare system while offering eligible physicians an opportunity to become permanent residents. This targeted approach helps retain medical professionals who are already contributing to patient care across Canada. What this means for physicians? If you are a physician currently working in Canada and meet the eligibility requirements, this draw highlights another pathway to Canadian permanent residence. Eligible physicians should ensure that their express entry profile is complete and up to date. Their Canadian work experience meets program requirements. All supporting documents remain valid and ready for submission if they receive an invitation to apply. Final update: Canada has now conducted its second Physicians with Canadian Work Experience Express Entry Draw of 2026, issuing 271 invitations to apply. Candidates required a minimum CRS score of 223 and had to meet the specified tie-breaking rule. The draw reflects Canada's continued focus on retaining skilled physicians already working in the country and supporting long-term healthcare workforce needs. If you found this update useful, like the video, subscribe to Canada Immigration Global, and share this video with friends and family planning to move to Canada. Thanks for watching.